Hey guys, this is Tech TV and we're going to be seeing how you can get a clear and smooth skin in only 2 weeks. So before we start, kindly request you to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified as soon as we upload any single video. Alright, there are only 5 tips you get to use and your skin will turn up very well. So the first skill, you have to drink a lot of water, maybe like 2 liters. So this water is going to soften your skin and it will become very smooth. The second tip, eat a lot of vegetables just like onions, cabbage, carrots and whatever. The third tip, then do some physical exercise. This will make your skin very healthy and will work out very well. So the fourth tip, avoid smoking. Smoking damages our skin to the extent that it can get what go and search. So the fifth tip, don't dare drink a lot of alcohol. Those are the 5 tips you need to use so as to get a clean and very smooth skin. So subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.